Natural light is one of the most powerful tools available to any photographer or videographer. Harnessing it effectively can be the difference between an ordinary shot and a truly stunning one. Whether you are using a smartphone or a professional camera, understanding how to work with natural light will elevate the quality of your images and videos. Start by considering the time of day. The golden hours, shortly after sunrise and just before sunset, offer the most flattering light. During these periods, sunlight travels through more of the Earth's atmosphere, scattering harsh rays and producing a soft, warm glow. This gentle light wraps around your subject, minimizing harsh shadows and highlighting natural details. Skin tones appear richer and more even. Landscapes radiate with color, and everything seems to be bathed in a magical aura. If you can schedule your shoot during these times, you'll be rewarded with photographs that feel both professional and enchanting. But what if your schedule or circumstances force you to shoot when the sun is high in the sky? Midday sunlight can be challenging. Its direct, overhead angle creates deep shadows and stark contrasts, often resulting in unflattering images. However, this doesn't mean you need to avoid shooting during these hours altogether. Instead, adapt your approach to soften and control the light. One effective technique is to seek out shade. Position your subject under a tree, an awning, or even the side of a building. Shade acts as a natural diffuser, scattering sunlight and reducing the intensity of shadows. Your subject will be evenly lit, with softer highlights and gentler contrasts. If you're photographing people, this can make skin look smoother and more natural, avoiding the squinting and harsh lines that come with direct sun. If natural shade isn't available, you can create your own. Simple, affordable tools can make a significant difference. A white sheet, for example, can be held above or beside your subject to diffuse the light. Similarly, a piece of foam board or a commercially available reflector can bounce sunlight back onto your subject, filling in shadows and creating a balanced, luminous look. These tools are lightweight, portable, and incredibly effective, allowing you to manipulate light on the go. When working with reflectors, experiment with different angles and distances. A reflector held close to your subject will produce a stronger fill light, while one positioned farther away will create a subtler effect. The color of the reflector also matters. A white surface provides soft, neutral light, while gold adds warmth, and silver increases brightness and contrast. Adjust these elements based on the mood and style you want to achieve. Remember, the position of your subject relative to the sun is crucial. Backlighting, where the sun is behind your subject, can produce ethereal silhouettes or beautiful rim lighting, especially during golden hour. Side lighting, with the sun to the left or right, adds dimension and texture, highlighting details and contours. Front lighting, with the sun behind the camera, offers the most even illumination, but can sometimes appear flat. Move around your subject and notice how the light changes. Small adjustments can dramatically alter the mood and quality of your images. Ultimately, mastering natural light is about observation and experimentation. Watch how the light shifts throughout the day and how it interacts with your environment. Use simple tools and techniques to adapt to challenging conditions. With practice, you'll develop an intuitive sense for the best times, angles, and methods to capture the beauty of natural light, transforming your work and captivating your audience.